The world of networking is changing. Not only are organizations moving to public and private clouds, but many are seeking to improve response times and efficiency by empowering application teams to manage network and security services for their own applications. F5's new BIG-IP Cloud Edition enables application teams to take ownership over the network and security services their applications depend on. To see how, let's start with Template Function in BIG-IQ Centralized Management, a key component of what we call application-centric management. The scenario is simple. Your developers need the ability to manage security and networking services for their apps, but they aren't F5 or security experts. The solution is to use BIG-IP Cloud Edition with BIG-IQ Centralized Management. BIG-IQ is F5's management and orchestration solution. It allows network administrators to create templates so application teams can deploy and track their own applications. You can create a service catalog of these application templates and grant your dev teams access for the applications they are responsible for. BIG-IQ ships with templates for a half-dozen common applications. With templates and the service catalog, along with roles-based access control, advanced analytics, and auto-scaling, and you have the tools to allow your app teams to manage their own applications. Let's take a look. Here we have BIG-IQ 6.0. This is a beta version, so the UI might change. We will start with a network administrator creating a template that later can be used by a DevOps team. We will go to Service Catalog and click Create. We enter a name and a description, and then import configurations from objects that already exist. You can browse the items related to those objects and select which ones to include in the template. Then we will go to the elements of that template and choose Default Settings, even specifying which settings can be edited by the app team. Now that we have a template, we can deploy an application from that template. We go back to the Service Catalog, select our template, and click Create Application. Then fill out just the fields required for deploying our particular application, such as selecting a name, a destination, and an IP address. We also set the nodes and pool members required for the app. Once we click Create, it kicks off the deployment process, all the way to the BIG-IP system. The dashboard shows the status and performance of the newly deployed app. The network administrator can see a summary of all apps or drill down to get details on a specific app. The application team will have a more limited view. They will be able to see a detailed dashboard, but only for the apps they've been assigned to. Both the network administrator and the app owners can use these dashboards to see the health, performance, and security settings of their apps. They can even view specific configurations or view the specific API request for deploying an individual app. That wraps up this sneak peek on creating an application template using BIG-IP Cloud Edition with BIG-IQ 6.0.